Hi, I'm Kaylee.
Hi, my name is Serlyn.
Hi, my name is Cindy.
Today we're going to be cooking the green pepper with stuffed grilled chicken in it, and we're from Taft High School.
Inside the bell pepper, it's grilled chicken. It's already pre-cooked, and then we have the brown rice. It's going to be in the microwave for 3 minutes, but they're going to cut the bell pepper first. This one's a pre-cut one. It has little stencils. You can use these. You can order these on Amazon. We use this to make like a little jack-o'-lantern face. We also have like a little cat design.
For the bell pepper, you just want to get, it's a butter knife, so you just want to get your butter knife, and then you're just going to cut it, and then you're going to cut it around. And then whenever you have the head off, you're just gonna take out all the seeds so you don't eat them.
Once that's cut, we're gonna start with the rice. It's gonna be 1 cup of rice. And then it's gonna be 1 cup of water. It's gonna be in the microwave for 3 minutes total.
While that's in the microwave, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this onion over here.
You want to get your cookie cutter or your knife, and you're just going to want to like poke little eyes in it. You can do like a mouth or anything. You don't have to, but you can if you want.
The pre-cooked fajita chicken breast strips, 2 tablespoons. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Here I have my already cooked chicken, and with your fingers you're just gonna try and spread the chicken. You're gonna stuff it with the chicken. Then we're gonna add the rice. Then we're gonna add the diced onions. And then to top it off, we're gonna use the breadcrumbs. I use 1 teaspoon of breadcrumbs. And then with the lemon wedge, I'm gonna sprinkle all over it. Put the top back on. And there it is. Enjoy.